I don't like when baddie boys
What?
come into my inbox and, you know, telling me to SYM.
This man if you a big man still, brother. Me no think when you turn big man we have good have grand pitney and them thing there you feel. I come with them style because now that Vybz Kartel drop him album, God and Time, and we have to say the album is doing fantastic. No matter where no man wants to on the charts, we are talking about inna the streets, inna the people them art. The album are do good. The album are do great worldwide. So, God and Time by Vybz Kartel, review, right show. Long time. Again, people, the album, you can go download the album. If you don't get the album yet, go and go get the album. It's a good listen. If you can't purchase the album, you stream the album. If you can't get iTunes, YouTube, if you can't get YouTube, iTunes. But people should check out the album. And not because, me not say that just because me is a fan of Vybz Kartel. Come on. Me think a lot of lessons in this album where people need to learn. And you know a lot of stages in a life where most people are going to go through. You understand what I mean? In which you start bad in high school and come out the road and your environment and everything. Your whole life, you have to bad because you're in an inner city youth. Because Portmore is an inner city. Nobody you want to say Portmore and cross the water. Badness go on a Portmore too. You know, because this is Jamaica, brother. Badness are going everywhere in Jamaica. Badness going to St. Thomas. Violence everywhere in the dog. Because every politics in everything, you know. Poverty in everything, brother. Once there is poverty, there will be violence. Everywhere I wake up, I pray to the Lord. Hey, I want the biggest tune this time of the year, you know, brother. You see when Kartel drop this, you can see the happiness from people, brother. This is not just a scam, brother. This is, you see me I say, this is not a scam. You see me I say, Prego?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You can feel in the streets, feel that one, man. All who no rate Kartel feel that one, man. That one is deep.
Me there with me dog day. The fake one's gone, but the real one's there.
One day.
We are run through pussy.
And every time the man says so, me just, there's, when Kartel says so, there's only a few people that come to mind. Sicka Rhymes are one of the biggest disappointment to me, because me don't know how you are Gaza man, brother, and one little thing, you feel away about some little thing, because you do something and the man them resent you for that, brother, because the thing your family thing, and you know the thing close to your family, brother. Man, them take care of them things. So if you never there with the man, them man for sure or whatever the case may be, because rumor says so, and rumor says so, me don't know it, me never did it. That is not my job. Me just attack it as though the street talk it and me hear it. You understand? Me no in no business and them thing. Me just do my work, I work. That's the thing I know, and then the next thing too. You not only switch, brother, you gonna run back a massacre. You see me I say, so it's like back a bush you gone, dog. I mean I say that in anything slide to massacre, like massacre a big artist, but massacre still a boy. And at them the man they you know where should I look for stand up and be a man. Yeah, go run back a next little man, brother, where the two on want a strength, brother. You see me I say? So me no understand them type of thing there, and you come on internet to talk something to and go on like say, man like you know, wicked youth. It no matter when nobody a go say about Vybz Kartel, brother. A Vybz Kartel time. No, me no see the man do nothing wrong for him come out, brother. Victory back a victory. You see me I say? Look on that. When any other artist I do no video, brother, you know, them on couple security. Nobody now come out and left people unless I drive from Mobile, you know. People from Mobile the other part a video shoot there right now.
Cause this a for me life. Cause this a for me life. Me ex never love.
This is another example. The man just a fine flow. Just from when Vybz Kartel come out alone. Vybz Kartel, him turn rapper, him turn Christian, him turn R&B. The man a beating in every style again and uno still stuck in a some 2010 type of flow. Uno never born them time there. Uno stuck in a some 2020 flow and them thing there, bro. And the man say, yo, guapi. And then the man start giving him all type of different beat. The man say, locks. And now the man a say, Kane. You see me I say? The man come and he say suits. Then the dog come back and say robe in a bathroom. The dog are the goat. Me no see nothing way out of them on the right now, brother. And me see one man, one interviewer, I go look for big bounty killer in a face and tell the man say I am the best thing we ever hold a mic in a world, dog. The man really look for bounty killer like that.
Enough man have the opinion see you, dog.
Where you say?
Enough man have the opinion
Why?
see you.
Opinion, me not think.
For them DJ, you can't, yo.
No, listen man.
No, man.
Listen
no,
man.
No, bro.
Listen
no,
man.
You can't fight a man for say.
I no fight me a fight a man for say nothing. Me not fight a man for say nothing. Listen what me I say. Listen
DJ
what me
thing.
saying.
You know say, what the best in football?
No Messi right now, man.
Him are the best.
You know right now.
And you still have people that say Ronaldo, right?
Ronaldo, people are say Ronaldo, but dog, come on, man.
Me I try to show you, fans.
But that no mean say them right. Not
fans.
because they are fans, man. Ronaldo is not better than Messi, brother.
You're right. Your football are right for you because you are playing at the way you like, and that's why you turn a
No
fan.
man, no man.
That
no man.
suit
That
you.
no have no football is one language.
Same thing.
Football is one language. Music is one language.
You're a DJ,
No man.
you're a DJ,
No
bro.
man. Music is a universal thing, Ben. We are talking about, man.
It no matter, but you're a DJ,
Brother,
regardless.
you don't have nothing to do with your DJ.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Where you say? Massacre the best artist in the world?
For some people, right
And
now.
Massacre then DJ.
For some people, right now.
Brother, that is like coming like says. That
When them fans attack, I don't remember, you know, you don't understand what is fans, probably, you know. Your fans is a thing
because me have sense, brother. Basically, you tell me, say a fans believe in a illusion. Illusion is them.
No, sir.
Yes, man.
No, sir. And that me I try to show you.
No, man. No,
you're right,
man.
you know. You know,
No,
you're right.
man.
You just said the word, you know.
Yeah.
Say it again.
Illusionist.
Exactly. So it's same thing.
Yeah, man. Then
The
that
same thing.
no mean say they're right, brother.
No, at the
Them
same
just a
thing.
live in an illusion,
At
bro.
the same thing, me I try to show
That
you.
that come like say enough man tell themselves say them a woman and them thing there and them a cat and them thing there. You know that them
brother.
opinion but what?
See,
You look on a cat or a human, you look on a cat or you look on a human being.
everybody
Come on,
fans
baby, man.
delusional.
No, man.
Both of you,
No, man. You have
the fans you
reality,
do wrong,
man.
the artists you do wrong, and you as the fans to you delusional.
I know
You
delusional.
come up with your own,
No,
own,
man.
let me say
Bias.
your
Bias
own
that.
assumption, your own
Bias.
assumption page. You fix it in a way where you like, we said, that it is, you know.
Yeah.
Not from actually what it is.
It a bias that, man.
Bias what?
A bias
Your own
that, man.
assumption, you
No,
come up
man.
with.
No illusion, man. They know exactly what them are do, brother.
Ziggy,
and
so
just-
when cartel come out in a brief, what you call that?
Me call that style.
You see, are your
Yeah,
own
me
assumption
call that
that.
style.
Are your own assumption that. You see, you come
Yeah.
up with your own.
No.
Exactly, bro.
No.
Brother, I tell you, oh, you think about it. You come up with your own. What
Oh,
you
so
think,
alright. So what you think about it? Then you think I fuckery?
Yeah, man. Totally, man. 100% fuckery.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
G. Well,
100%
you see, through me know
fuckery.
life and go through whole heap of things in life and see whole heap of people do something, brother. Me can't look on them thing there and call them thing they fuckery, brother.
You have to probably show say you're really mental with you then, brother.
Yeah,
And don't act like you're mental,
Yeah.
but in a reality, you're really mental.
Mm-hmm.
You have to show that, brother, and see say, yo, somebody tell you just you come all day.
Why you tell you mental, dog? It's just that some people have a higher IQ. When you have a higher IQ,
that is
brother, you
no
look and think.
Me not find that as IQ. That is zero IQ right there, so. Zero. The first music can't tell you zero IQ. Let me say that is nothing. That is no IQ for even try, brother. Yeah, man.
No, man, just.
No, sir.
I just how you look at it, brother.
No, if you continue, be the model we miss same way. Come out every other week in a brief length to say, yo.
Why am I do that?
So why him do it from first?
No, can you want to do it? I can.
No, man, no.
No, man, you know what?
Hey,
Nobody
hey,
not
hey.
go want to do the same thing over and over. Life, a thing have changes, man. You think say, me get up to them one and bully beef. Me no want that means me finna bully beef for the rest of my life.
Oh, so you're saying get up to there and feel jump in a brief and
Yeah.
come on the internet and feel
That's
thing.
so, I can't make you wake up a morning and I feel like someone want to go work out in a two underpants, brother. But
When me always show you, say you already wake up in a brief already.
yeah.
You can stay in a brief for the whole day if you feel like
Yeah, so no, so all you know, say, man,
why
alright.
you go turn on your camera and record yourself in a brief?
So them stay a long time. They never want to play a long time.
I just dance all. You see me I say? Feature some females, cause I know me not really do nothing for no female, you know, because me not forgot the female them, man. And for this episode again, more for feature Jada Kino and my sister that. Feature my sister there. Feature my sister, we no see creature. And Bumbo. Yo, big up my sister. Big up my sister. She a do a little wine and thing, you know. Body a happening. I don't know anything already. And we can all agree, say Jada Kingdom hold our own in a dancehall. Jada Kingdom prove our spot, claim our spot in a dancehall as one of the baddest female them in a dancehall right now. And remember, dancehall have a whole heap of bad female. We can all agree. You understand? With our from Spices, from Macadamia, Lady Saw. You see me I say, and you have to give it up all the angel too. So, people, we not talk about no soft soap. Jada Kingdom sure she can pull her weight. Jada Kingdom have battle experience. You see me I say? The most recent one with the girl her name over so. Chopping her forehead, baby love. When name Steph London, man. You see me I say? My respects, baby love. Me just name him by the name, because I'm not really too. You see me I say have the time for, memorize. Me head bad. Just see with me, baby love. Beautiful lady. Two beautiful lady. And me also want to give a shout out to Steph London as well, because all of the female them are some hardcore female them call, you know. You understand what I mean? Some hardcore female, bro. Tell you man, why Jada Kingdom special right now? Because me and her play a game together. She basically come from St. Thomas. You know, Bull B, I consider that St. Thomas same way. So, jump in the comments, you can't do anything or else. I know what I say, what I say. But me claim Bull B, all of that little mile, straight back to the airport or St. Thomas. I no business what I want to say. Because me think, when I reach, after the airport go round, you can't say it. But Chanel Muir, bumbleclad. And Chanel Muir, one of them two, you know, want to understand, you know, brother. Dancehall woman. Me not tell no lie, brother. Me not think the woman them in a dancehall get enough credit. Because in a reality, no care how one little man a try him thing, you will hear them a buzz in the street. All some underground. Me think the man them get more, he get more highlight. Me think the vlogger them pay attention to the man them more. Cause me look on whole heap of vlogger page and say whole heap of new artists, but it's like the woman them too bad in a dancehall, bro. Chanel Muir, top class. In a lyrics and in a physique. A good black woman. Jada Kingdom again, top class. Be a black belt. You understand me I say? So, me not think you have any other genre in the world where have so much bombard dominant female, brother. You have to give it up to dancehall. You have to give it up to dancehall. Me not think you have another music genre in the world right now we have so much bad female, bro. So much top class female. One whole class a black belt. Me I talk about, you can go from ladies go straight down the line. Maca Diamond, Pampute, all coffee, or coffee or what them want call it. Me mean it to a top class. Be a black belt. If you don't have it in the face, you don't have it in the work you don't put in. So, me think, I mean I go say, man no show woman love in a dancehall because that would be selfish of me. But me just think we not do it enough. See I say every 5 video me do or every 2 or 3 video me do, me I go make sure say me highlight one female in a dancehall, in a the music and show them some love. Show them some new work where people, cause some of the time me feel like say even me in a my car and me hear one Chanel Muir come on or one Jada Kingdom come on or even Shen say ya. Oh, me never say Shen say ya. Me don't know how. It's like a be a black belt. A be a elite. Which other genre in the world have so much top female? Drop in the comments and let me know, bro. Chat Free TV.